Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Gabby, and today we're gonna do something quite different. I haven't been feeling super motivated lately, but for the past, I would say, couple of weeks, I've really focused on what I want to do, what I want my life to look like in a few years, and I really kind of built a little idea in my head of some things that I really want to make come true. And I was thinking, how can I motivate myself every day to work towards my dreams, to work towards this idea of my life that I want to put into the universe? Well, there's a very good thing that you can do for that, which is a vision board. I have done one a few months ago. I've done a few wallpapers for my computers and my iPad, and it was so nice every time I would turn on my computer, my laptop, my iPad, even my phone to see the dream life that I wanted. But the thing is, in the past few months, like I said, these have changed so much. I think also the world we're living in right now is really kind of showing us what matters. So I really want to create a new vision board that really reflects what I want for my life in the future. Basically, a vision board is a way to visualize physically what you want in your life and put it into the universe, and it works with your subconscious mind, which works better than your conscious mind and works better with ideas and concepts. So that could be a very useful way for me to motivate myself into, in situations like right now when you feel like you're kind of stuck, you don't see things changing, you don't see how we're gonna get out of the situation maybe. Could be very useful for your motivation. And for me, sometimes to be stuck at home, to be not doing much, not doing things that I really wanted to do, made me feel a bit unmotivated. Like, what's the point? It would really help me to have a vision board to see every day, to really know what I'm working towards. So we're gonna get started. First, I'm going to write down all of the elements of my dream life. I'm gonna write where I want to live, who I'm seeing in this image in my mind, work around my senses as well, like smells, what I'm seeing around me, and what I'm doing. So write down everything that you're seeing in this image in your mind when you close your eyes. I would say maybe something that could be helpful for you would be to do kind of a meditation around it, which is actually what I started my day with today. I started with a manifestation meditation, and basically you just imagine the life that you want. You imagine everything, you kind of pretend that you're living it, and after that you write down everything that was in your dream. And then you move on to actually searching for the images. You can use any platform that works for you, Google Image, magazines if you have some, or my favorite, Pinterest. You can find so many things on Pinterest and everything looks beautiful, which I think is very important as well, for it to be very visually appealing, because that's something that you're going to look at a lot. I'm gonna go on Pinterest and get images that really remind me of that dream life, and really look for the elements that were in my dream life. Like, for example, a house or a pet, or your family life, or your dream job, or travels that you want to do, or activities, passion projects that you would like to work on. Anything that's on your list, kind of type the elements and see what really calls your name, basically. That's how I kind of visualize it. If the image really helps you to get into that dream, just go for it. And I would say get more images that you think you would need, and then you get a lot of them, and you can either print them if that's more useful for you, if you want to create a physical vision board, which is so much fun, but unfortunately my printer is not working right now. So what I usually do is I go on Canva online. I love Canva. It's so useful for everything. That's where I also work on my thumbnails before using my iPad. And then you upload them all and then get creative with it, like work with the images, with the colors that you see in your vision, and really work around it. You can even add in some words that you really want to put into the universe, maybe calm, nature, balance, motivation, ambition, anything that you feel when you're envisioning that dream life. Honestly, a vision board really looks like whatever you want it to look like. The goal is for you to create a vision board that really represents what you want in your life, what you want your future to look like, and a vision board that makes you feel good, that makes you feel calm. You want something attractive, something stimulating, something that reminds you of where you want to go. And after that, it's up to you. You can print it, you can make several vision boards, like kind of wallpapers on your laptops. That's what I used to do, and maybe that's what I'm doing right now. I would say use your vision board every day. Do you think that repetition is the key to really get it to sink in into your brain? And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my vision board as wallpaper, and that's something I'm going to look at when I'm meditating in the morning, when I'm doing a meditation. I do really think that a vision board is amazing. It's a real physical or online representation of everything that you want in your life, that anything that you want to attract, that you want to work towards. And once it's on paper and once you can actually see all the elements, you will work around it without even noticing it. It will really motivate you to get whatever you want. I would love for you to let me know in the comments like what you want to put on your vision board, what the dream life that you envision for yourself is and looks like and feels like. And we're so different, we're so unique. This vision, this image, this dream life can really vary and change, and that's what happened to me. It doesn't have to look one way forever. That's just not how it works. As you grow, as you evolve, you get to know yourself better, and I would say listen to your gut. I know that for me in the past years it has changed. Now I feel like I'm more in tune with who I am, what I want, what's important for me. So I hope you enjoyed. Like the video if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.